How to set a single name on Facebook. What's up everyone? Welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove the last name on your Facebook account. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Facebook and make sure that you are logged into your account in order to access all of your settings. And once you are logged in, all you need to do now is go ahead and tap on the menu icon at the top right. And from here, just tap on your name or profile picture. And once you get to your profile, the first thing you need to do is tap on Edit Profile. And as you can see, there is no option to edit your name here. So you'll have to open up your settings. So go ahead and tap on the settings icon and head over to Account Center. Now just tap on profiles and it will show you all of your available profiles. So just go ahead and tap on the profile that you want to change the name of. And once you do so, just go ahead and tap on name. And from here, you just want to remove your last name like this and enter a space or some characters. Just tap on review change. And if Facebook allows it, then you will be able to set your name, only your first name as your display name. So if it's showing that your first name is short, you can add something else to your name and then tap on review change. And if Facebook allows it, then you should be able to change your name only to your first name. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.